Lagos and Agboro, that's Lagos and Tout, they are 5 and 6. You cannot talk about Lagos without involving Tout. You cannot talk about the history of Lagos without bringing in the Tout. You know, the Touts are part of what made Lagos, because the government of Lagos actually in how will I put, they brought the Touts inside part of their policy, in a disguised manner. Now, what am I saying? It brings me back to the point I'm trying to make today. I know I don't have sense. I don't. Who am I? Do I even know anything about Lagos? But I'm just saying my observation, what I observed. Because last week I read in the news when motorists are complaining, transporters, they are complaining that the money that the towns are collecting from them is becoming very alarming. How can somebody just wake up and say he just want to be useless, and the person will just wake up and go to the street and say, he's collecting money from bus because the bus is passing a particular road, and the government is aware, and the government is doing nothing about it? Now the motorists, how did it affect people? Why am I even talking about it? Because that day that thing happened in Lagos, I was in Lagos. I had an appointment, so they even blocked the road. I missed my appointment because of that particular day. Now the motorists in Lagos said they will not move because the touts are collecting unreasonable amount from them. So they refused to move. People did not even go to work. A lot of people missed their work because of that thing. I missed my appointment because of that thing. That is why I'm angry. The government of Lagos need to look into this tout matter. It's becoming alarming. When you groom them for election, after election, they become useless. They will now be disturbing people on the road, saying, now I went to Lagos. There is a particular, some areas in Lagos that you cannot even pass there with a car. Somebody will just wake up in the morning, carry his bench, sit down on the junction of the road and block it. Say if you then give him maybe 100 naira or something, you will not pass. It is totally wrong. That's what I'm saying. The Lagos, I blame the Lagos people in the first place, because they are the one that first of all embrace the tout. When you embrace somebody because of your own selfish interests, when it's now time for the person, you don't want the person again, the person will not go. There will be causing confusion in the town. That is what's happening in Lagos now. The touts have power now. The touts have power. They have mouth. When tout will wake up one day and block the road, the government will be begging them, please, please, please. You have to do, the government of Lagos need to solve this problem of tout. Too much crisis happened from this tout. Tout will wake up and raid communities in Lagos. That Lagos state need federal government intervention, because I think the states are being biased. The federal government need to intervene, because Lagos is a commercial city. If every time bad news for Lagos, you hear this bus driver lose control, they have to check all these people mental. A lot of people are mad in Lagos. They have to check their mental state in Lagos. Today I just read a bus driver just arguing with passenger. The next thing, he just went to jam people and kill them in Lagos. You see, every bad thing in Nigeria starts from Lagos. And it's a very blessed city. So the federal government needs to do something about this Lagos. After that, I don't have sense. Do I even know what I'm talking? If I talk now, some people will say, what do you know about Lagos? Do you even know the history of Lagos? I don't know the history of Lagos. But what I'm saying is that this tout matter needs to be addressed. I miss my appointment because of tout. When it is shaking, when it so he just come and block the road, and because he say, motorists must pay them. Who are you? Are you the one that even bought the car for them? Are you the one that buy the car for them? No, you didn't buy the car for them. You didn't fuel it for them. You said they will pay you unreasonable amount. I even heard that their park chairman have said the tout should stop collecting money from. I reduce the money. He said they should reduce the money. Well, what do I even know? Am I from Lagos State? It's their matter. Thank you very much. Like I said, my name is Balan Shaibu. I am the spice creator. You can go to the comment section and share your experience about Lagos Tout, so that the more we complain, the more the federal government will look into the matter. Like and share. If you like, Google me. If you like, don't Google me. That is your business.